Right, Evo 4 and 5, fog lights, heat conversion or LED. This job is not gonna be on the car. You have to take the bumper off and make this happen. So you unscrew the bolt on the top. You open the fog light. So you take the cap off. You change the bubble. You cut here the LED or the xenon, but if you have the LED, it's a straight up conversion because it's the same as this one here. You put the wires outside from here to take it out, and then you made the heat conversion outside. I'm not putting LEDs, I'm putting the xenons, so the cable through here, and after you make it a whole piece again. That's the story to change the fog lights on the Evo 4 or 5. There is no other way. The bumper has to come off. Like and subscribe. We are in a big mess.